Dreaming of a master's in Denmark with funding to match? Let me walk you through applying to Roskilde University's master's programs, step by step, so you can hit submit with confidence. Step 1. Deadlines. First, map your timeline. Autumn starts, spring starts. Cutoffs for non-EU EEA applicants. Cutoffs for EU EEA applicants. Set calendar alerts. Aim to finish 2 weeks early. Step 2. Requirements. Check the specific master's page. Required bachelor's fields. ECTS credits. GPA guidance. English proficiency. IELTS, TOEFL. Any course prerequisites. If in doubt, email admissions early. Step 3. Documentation. Passport. Diploma. Transcripts with grading scale. Course descriptions. English test. CV. Motivation letter. Combine multi-page PDFs. Label files clearly. Name program document type. Step 4. Application fee. If you're a non-EU EEA citizen, you may need to pay a fee. Pay it before submission so your application is processed on time. Step 5. Tuition fees. Waivers. Scholarships. Non-EU EEA students may pay tuition. RUC offers tuition fee waivers. RUC offers scholarships. Read the criteria and deadlines. Some awards require an extra statement, highlight impact, highlight academic fit, highlight what you'll contribute. Step 6. Apply online. Create your account in the digital application system. Select your program. Upload your documents. Link test scores. Double-check spellings. Save drafts. Review once more before you click Submit. Step 7. After submission, you'll get a confirmation. Admissions assesses eligibility. Admissions checks documents. Admissions reviews funding. Watch your email. Respond fast to any requests. Offers arrive by the stated date. Accept promptly. Bonus tips. If you already hold a bachelor's from RUC, check your legal claim to admission. Re-enrolling or readmission. There's a path for that too. Your next chapter in Denmark starts with one application. Start today. Future, you will thank you.